It's Tuesday morning, May 28th, 2013. Welcome to Mission Control Houston. You're looking at the International Space Station Flight Control Room as a team of flight controllers watches over all of the systems aboard the orbiting complex, along with the three-member crew that makes up Expedition 36 on board. The team throughout the most of the day today is being led by Flight Director Brian Smith. He is joined by Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Takuya Onishi. You'll hear him periodically talking with the crew on board the International Space Station about anything relevant to activities that the Houston Flight Control Team supports from here in Mission Control. Onishi is a member of the astronaut class of 2009. He completed his training and certification for flight in July of 2011. This team has been on console since about 7 o'clock this morning and will hand over to the evening team beginning around 3 o'clock today. The team is supporting the three crew members aboard the International Space Station that make up Expedition 36. Those three gentlemen are Commander Pavel Vinogradov, you see in the center there. He is joined by two flight engineers, Alexander Mazurkin and U.S. astronaut Chris Cassidy. The three crew members have been aboard the station now for 61 days, and of course they have been in space for that length of time, as well as they served as the first crew to demonstrate the single-day launch to docking operation of a Soyuz spacecraft launching at mid-afternoon back on March 28th, and they arrived at the station with a docking late at night on the same night. In effect, as well, the three crew members that will join them are busily preparing right now for their launch this afternoon. They make up the three crew members that will augment the 36 crew. Karen Nyberg, Fyodor Yurchikhin, and Luca Parmitano are set to launch from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. All activities in Baikonur are going very smoothly, with the countdown leading toward the launch and arrival of those three crew members, all again on a single day launch to docking profile that you see there, with all of the activities associated with that Soyuz TMA-09M spacecraft. The crew on board currently has a fairly light duty day, as they are busily preparing for that crew's arrival. They've adjusted their sleep cycle quite a bit to prepare for being up later tonight for that crew's arrival. And so the crew members will basically take a midday by their schedule nap. They'll get up around 2 o'clock in the afternoon to prepare for the launch and for-orbit rendezvous of their three newest crew members that will join them late tonight. So fairly quiet day for the crew on board. They've had some experiment work to deal with, and also prepare crew quarters for the arriving crew so that they can look forward to their arrival later tonight to augment the Expedition 36 crew aboard the International Space Station.